But while I may be the first woman in this office, I will not be the last.
Having her roots from India, she is the first Asian American and black woman to become Vice President of United States of America. Kamala Devi Harris, or Kamala Harris, a name that is so much into limelight these days, is an American politician and newly elected Vice President of the United States from the Democrat Party with Joe Biden as the elected president. In this video, we'll learn more about Kamala Harris and how she made history. But before proceeding, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Also like this video and give us a comment down below sharing your feedback.
Oh, no small talk, let's get into it.
Kamala was born on October 20th, 1964 in Oakland, California. She got double degree in economics and political science from Harvard University in 1986. After this, she went to law school at University of California and graduated as Juris Doctor in 1989. While in California University, she also served as president of Black Law Students Association. Clearly, she was politically active since young age. In 1990, she joined the Bar of California and was made Deputy District Attorney in Alameda County. In 2003, she was elected as the first non-white or person of color District Attorney of San Francisco.
You know, I did not run because I wanted to be the first woman. I ran because I believed I could do the job better.
She held this position till 2011. In 2011, she participated in the California Attorney General election and won.
And California Democrats, when we pull together, we are too big to fail.
She got re-elected again in 2014. During all these years, she did a lot in fields such as women abortion rights, criminal justice reforms, strengthening voting rights in US, sexual crimes, privacy rights, consumer protection, and of course, something that is common between the president and the vice president, their concern on environmental issues and LGBTQ rights.
How will you keep bad guys from having guns?
We can't let people have guns who are not responsible. What do you think the rules should be?
You should run a test to see if they're going to be responsible with the guns or not.
That is excellent, and that's called background checks.
We have also made a video about Joe Biden, so please check out that one too. Harris decided to run for the senator election of California in 2016. In November, she won and announced that she would remain Attorney General till the end of 2016. Having won so many elections already and with so much public support, in 2019 she announced her president candidacy and got good amount of donations.
You know, there was a little girl in California who was part of the second class to integrate her public schools, and she was bused to school every day. And that little girl was me.
However, with time, her popularity somewhat reduced, and against her were big names such as Bernie Sanders and Joe Biden. Finally, in December 2019, she withdrew her name. Later, Kamala supported Joe Biden, and on 11th August, Joe Biden declared that if he wins, Harris will be the vice president.
First of all, is the answer yes?
The answer is absolutely yes, Joe, and I am ready to work. I am ready to do this with you, for you. I'm just deeply honored, and I'm very excited.
People of the US chose Joe Biden over Trump in presidential elections and Kamala Harris as the vice president. It is also said that Harris can become next president in 2024 as Joe Biden's successor. Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.